Subscribe the channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon. Hello guys, get ready for the dictation at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Writ petition number 51876 of 2008 has been filed by Shri Munshi Lal Verma, hereinafter referred to as the petitioner, a teacher of Uttam Nagar College, Jiroli Dhoom Singh, Aligarh, hereinafter referred to as the college, challenging order dated 19/9/2008, Annexure 22 to writ petition passed by District Inspector of Schools, Aligarh, hereinafter referred to as the DIOS, referring to this court's order dated 14/12/2005, passed in writ petition 75357 of 2005, filed by Shri Babu Singh Raj, hereinafter referred to as the contesting respondent, suspending his own order dated 38/2008, whereby he had approved signature of petitioner. The facts in brief stated in the writ petition are that the petitioner was appointed as assistant teacher in BTC grade on 21/7/1972, while Shri Babu Singh Raj, respondent number 4, the contesting respondent, was appointed in the same grade on 1/11/1977. Both of them thereafter were given higher grade on the same dates, namely CT grade on 1/7/1979, LT grade on 11/4/1990, and selection grade on 11/4/2000. The date of birth of petitioner is 8/12/1950, while that of contesting respondent is 1/1/1951. The petitioner therefore claims that he is much senior to contesting respondent in view of Chapter 2, Regulation 31BB of the Regulations framed under Intermediate Education Act 1921, hereinafter referred to as the Regulations. It is pointed out that the seniority list was circulated by principal of the college on 15/7/1992, showing inter-seniority of teachers as on 1/7/1989, wherein petitioner was shown at serial number 5 while the contesting respondent was shown at serial number 7. The date of appointment of both were mentioned as 21/7/1972 and 1/11/1977 respectively. However, without disclosing correct facts, the contesting respondent filed writ petition number 17178 of 1992. It was disposed of on 14/5/1992, directing DIOS to decide his representation. Pursuant thereto, DIOS passed an order on 6/11/1992 in favor of contesting respondent who had claimed that he had served for 2 years in another institution and therefore service rendered thereafter, that is Adarsh Bharati Inter College, Kalwa, Aligarh from 1/7/1971 to 30/6/1973 in CT grade, be credited towards his experience to hold him eligible for CT grade, having completed 5 years on 11/4/1983. The DIOS accepted this claim. This order, dated 6/11/1992, was challenged by one Kunwar Pal Singh in a writ petition which was decided by judgment dated 10/2/1993, relegating him to avail alternative remedy before Deputy Regional Director of Education, hereinafter referred to as DDE, under Rule 31F, Chapter 2 of the Regulations. The said order dated 10/2/1993 was also affirmed in Special Appeal number 203 of 1993, which was dismissed on 18/8/1994 through direct DDE to decide the appeal, if filed within 3 months after affording opportunity of hearing to all concerned parties. While aforesaid appeal was pending, the contesting respondent was allowed promotion by DIOS in LT grade with effect from 11/4/1983, while order dated 5/11/1996, modifying its earlier order dated 6/11/1992, However, this order dated 5/11/1996 was revoked when DIOS was informed about appeal pending against his order dated 6/11/1992. This contesting respondent challenged order dated 17/12/1996 in writ petition number 768 of 1997, wherein an interim order was passed staying operation of order dated 18/12/1996. The Deputy Director of Education vide order dated 3/7/1997 decided appeal of Kunwar Pal Singh Tomar,